Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to set up Linux on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that on the latest version of Chrome OS, we can install Linux application. So in order to install Linux application on your Chrome OS, we have to set up Linux development environment. To set up Linux development environment, simply click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, click on About Chrome OS, scroll down to Developers section. Here you will find Linux Development Environment option. Simply click on Setup. Now here we have the setup window for Linux Development Environment on Chromebook. Now here click on Next, give a username and select the storage for Linux Development Environment. 10 GB is recommended by default. However, if you need more storage, then click on Custom. And here simply select the storage you want. Let me go with the 10 GB recommended option. Then click on Install. Here you can see it is installing, so wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will find the terminal. Using this terminal, you can install Linux desktop application on your Chromebook. If you don't get the terminal, you can also open it from the app launcher. For that, click on App Launcher icon. Here look for the terminal application. Simply click on it. Now here click on Penguin option and it will open the terminal. So that's it. This is how you can set up Linux on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.